got something going on here with this guy. So a friend of mine had some problems with his push mower. He got tired of it, bought a brand new one, gave me his old one to scrap, but like usual, we're gonna try to fix everything because we just can't help ourselves. It's a nice mower. I think it actually starts on the first pole. Let's give it a try just to show what it can do and then address what needs fixed. Husqvarna HU700F. It's got a Honda motor on it. Those are always good engines. And let's just see what it does. Whoa. First pull. That's nice. Started up on the first pull. I mean, that starts better than the mower that I use all the time. So let's see if we can fix it. This thing is a self-propelled, drives itself mower. And the cable down here, this is a weird kind of drive thing. But this cable is no good, and we bought one. Kind of looks like it's right. Made in a China. We're gonna go ahead and try to get this fitted in there. Well, that takes the whole thing off. I don't know what just happened. I don't know if we took that off right, but it came off. Let's get down here and get this end off. Maybe the new one will show us how that comes out of there. It's just got a little squeezy tab, and it's buried way up in there. And we squeeze the tab. There's a part that's missing on the original. How do we get that attached? Goes down in there and hooks on something. A little advantageous on the height. Whoa! Tried to smush myself. I think I got it figured out. So it looks like it actually goes in from the side. Okay, there we go. All right. It goes in from the side. Angle it in like this and then kind of dogleg it down. We got her hooked. We almost dropped it on our head. Just punch that down in there. It's just gotta go, I think, in this thing, I imagine. Up through these two. This old one out of here. All right. That's funny. Alright. Yeah, it in there, and then we had to go down and get picky with it. Okay. Here it's got to catch on that edge, and it needs to force this down. I lost a little white bushing. That's cool. Oh, it's right there. Okay, we got it. So you got to get it all on there, push it down, reach up with this up a little bit, and pull your spring up over that edge. Kind of a pain. Note to self, don't try to pull the handles without this all bolted back together. That's what screwed us up in the first place. So we'll get this all bolted in before we pull the handle. See what it does. That appears to be working. We may have to make adjustments here. Alright, it appears to work. All it does is pull this thing tight against this drive belt or spinning tires. Oh, I guess that is a variable speed with how far you squeeze this thing. Little to a lot. I don't understand that very much. Can't adjust it there if need be. Anyways, it came with a cover. Let's get the cover back on there. Apprentice is going to put this cover on. This cover covers it up. Go ahead, put it down there. Watch that exhaust. It might be hot.
Okay.
Right here. I think maybe like Maybe like this, it goes in there. Try it. Okay, close. Yeah, scoot it back. Covers up that belt, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, keep going. Don't fall over. You got it. Keep going.
You're getting your tractor out soon.
What tractor?
Your tractor out in a bus.
The big yellow one?
Yeah, yeah. You have to get it out soon.
I think you got it, big boy. Good job. Fixed. Probably clean this off and put it on the old marketplace.